How to do Old Hollywood curls using a curling iron. Old Hollywood is known for its glitz and glam. If you like styles that are both classical and vintage, then Old Hollywood might be for you. Getting Old Hollywood curls is easy, and you can do it with a curling iron or with flexi rods. The flexi rod technique is the easiest, but it also takes the longest. The curling iron is the fastest, but it takes a little more practice. Choose the method that works the best for you. Number 1. Apply a volumizing product to freshly washed hair before drying it. Start with freshly washed hair. Apply a volumizing mousse to your hair, from roots to ends, then blow dry your hair. Point the nozzle downwards to ensure that your hair dries sleek and smooth. If you have limp hair, it would be a good idea to add a root lifter in addition to the mousse. Alternatively, place a round brush beneath a section of hair, over-direct the hair at a 90 or 135-degree angle at the roots, and then continue blow drying down the strand as usual. Apply a light misting of light to medium hold hairspray to your hair after you dry it. This will help the curls stay better. Number 2. Part and section off your hair. Create a deep side part in your hair using the handle of a rat tail comb. Gather the top part of your hair into 2 temporary buns, one on each side of the part, and secure them with clips. It does not matter which side you create the part on, so choose whichever side you prefer or find most flattering. Number 3. Curl the hair from the bottom layer with a 1/2 in, 3.81 cm, curling iron. Gather a 1 to 2 inch, 2.54 to 5.08 cm, wide section of hair. Curl it with a 1.5 inch, 3.81 cm, curling iron, holding the rod horizontally. Hold the iron for a few sections, then release the clamp on the iron. If your hair doesn't hold curls well, stick with a 1 inch, 2.54 cm, curling iron. For gentle waves, use a 2 inch, 5.08 cm, curling iron. Number 4. Coil the curl back into place, then secure it with a clip. Use your fingers to gently coil the curl back towards your head. Secure it with a small clip or bobby pin, like making a pin curl. Pinning your curl will help it retain its shape while it cools. Number 5. Curl the rest of the hair from the bottom layer, then work on the top. When you get to the top section, curl the hair away from your face. Start on one side and work your way to the center back of your head, then do the other side. Coil and pin each curl as you finish it. 3. Number 6. Mist your hair with hairspray, let it dry, then remove the curls. Let the hairspray dry for 5 minutes first, then check your curls to see if they have cooled. Once they are cool, remove the clips holding them in place. Don't remove the curls while they are still warm, or they might not hold. Number 7. Brush out your curls. This may seem counterintuitive, but this is where the magic really happens. Use a bristle brush to gently comb out your curls, starting from the top. Your curls will become softer and more voluminous. Mist your brush with some hairspray first. This will help prevent frizz. Number 8. Finish off with a shine spray or shine serum, if desired. For a vintage look, push back the hair from your face and pin it behind your ear. Do this on the side of the part that has less hair.